The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that some of us will save it, as stated by polar explorer Robert Swan. This statement accurately captures the global energy crisis we are facing today. For decades, society has remained heavily dependent on fossil fuels, continuously delaying meaningful action while hoping that technological advances or future generations would resolve the problem. However, climate change does not wait, environmental degradation does not pause, and the consequences of fossil fuel consumption continue to intensify. By persisting in this dependency, we prioritize short-term convenience over long-term sustainability. Therefore, the transition to renewable energy is no longer a matter of choice, but a responsibility that must be addressed with urgency. This issue is directly relevant to our daily lives. The depletion of fossil fuel reserves has resulted in rising energy prices, which translate into higher electricity tariff and increased transportation costs. This financial pressure disproportionately affects households and industry alike. Simultaneously, the environmental impacts of fossil fuel combustion, such as air pollution, extreme weather events, and rising global temperature, which is lead to a serious risk to public health, infrastructure, and economic stability. These effects are no longer distant projections; they are ongoing realities that demand immediate action. These arguments presented in this speech are supported by credible academic research. Peer-reviewed studies, including publications from MDPI, demonstrate that prolonged fossil fuel usage significantly increases carbon emissions, accelerates climate change, and lead to a higher long-term energy cost. In contrast, renewable energy systems provide sustainable, cost-effective solutions that enhance energy resilience while reducing environmental damage. This finding reinforces the necessity of transitioning away from fossil fuels. While some may perceive this transition as costly or impractical, failing to act will result in far greater economic and environmental consequences. Where future energy shocks occur, measures must be prepared with a well-regulated and diversified renewable energy framework that protects both its citizens and its economy. In this speech, I will examine three key aspects. The first one is the critical challenge posed by continued fossil fuel dependence. And the second one is the renewable energy solutions. And the last one is that a solution that offers a sustainable and credible path toward a cleaner and more secure future. Thank you.